Alright, y'all, so I got Chipotle and I'm gonna fix my computer. So we're just doing a quick mukbang. I'm gonna fix my computer. So I got a bowl. I have white rice, extra chicken, the green salsa, the tomatoes, the corn, sour cream and cheese. That's all that's on here. Y'all, I'm trying to fix my computer, so we can just eat. And yeah, we can do our little time. I only put a little bit in this bowl and put the rest up into a different bowl. I just use this bowl. One of my other ones. These are bad pieces of chicken. Hold on. Alright. I'm hungry. Y'all wanting some seafood. But frankly, I like some. I don't work with my coworkers, my work friends. Oh, God. Damn, this video about to be done in 3 minutes. Yeah, my order from the week was comes Saturday, but it just got me a little something that's not before. Yeah, well, I'm full, so we're gonna do a mini mukbang. I'm full. But Yeah, y'all. I got me in the grinder. Yeah, they did not give me the military discount. This is, okay. Ooh. I think this is the last one we had, if I'm not mistaken. No, this one was wedding pie. This one is dreamsicle. And this is a hybrid. I'll open it up and see what it is. Because the last time I asked small, they got some big ass, fat ass pieces. That's what I mean by small. They gave me a fat ass piece. Oh shoot. You can't really see it, but it's like hella green. Like you really can't see the quality of it because of the lighting. But yeah. And then I'm gonna roll up, and when I roll up, I'm gonna meet y'all downstairs.